One-to web automation without any kind of endless Selenium script and writing regular coding stuff, these kind of things. Now today I will show you how to plug a Playwright MCP into the cloud and then codeless browser automation. So here we don't need any kind of Selenium download or VS Code. We don't need this kind of download. We just simply add Claude MCP, Playwright MCP to Claude and just say your commands, say your prompts, and start doing your automation. Let me show you first. You have to install the Claude and you can go with the general version. You don't need to go for the premium version. And you have to go to the Claude and then settings, then go to developer. See, currently there is no MCP servers are configured. We have to configure the Playwright MCP here. So I'm just clicking on the edit config. So it's basically a JSON file. So I'm just opening with text edit. So we have to add the Playwright MCP JSON file here. So let's go to Google and find it somewhere like here. You can find the Microsoft Playwright MCP server. Go here and just copy this part and then remove the curly braces and paste it here and save it. Now you can close this and open the cloud again. And so since we have added the configuration, you can just close the cloud and open it again. So now let's open it again. Yeah, now it got open. Now again, if you go to the settings, developer, you see there is Playwright MCP is running. So your Playwright MCP configuration for the cloud is completed. Now you start exploring the things around Playwright. So let's find a website to automate. I have a website for you. Yeah, so we'll ask to launch this browser and log in with the credentials. So if you just observe here, so I'm not writing any kind of code. I'm just giving some instruction that open the browser, and I'm not even typing like enter username and enter password. I'm just saying that login with user ID and password. So once after the successful, so make it the test case fast. So I'm just hitting a command. So if you see the browser getting launched. So we have to allow for initial. So if you observe, the browser got launched. We don't have any kind of pre-setups. We just added the Playwright MCP to Claude. That's it. So if you observe, it start typing the username here. So okay, we have to allow to enter user ID, password. So this is initial. No, we don't have to do it always. Okay, it's done already. Let me log out again and ask Claude to do it again. Now you see the comments. Excellent, test case passed, test case repeated successfully, and you see that steps performed and verification points and test results passed. So this is how you can do the codeless automation with just Playwright MCP and then the cloud. So we'll explore more things. Now let's see the difference in between our regular Selenium automation and the cloud. Okay, let me open a document. I'll start typing. So in the regular automation, first we have to need a code editor, and then you have to install Selenium, and then what is it called? We have to figure it out programming, and then you have to write the scripts, and then we have to add external reports, and then uh, CI CD integration. Okay, so this is how the steps are going in the Selenium regular traditional automation. So if the test case get fail, again we have to debug and we have to fix that, and we have to maintenance regularly. If there is any kind of UI changes happens, we have to keep changing the locators around play. We have to change the functions or methods, functions or classes, and we need manual effort also in the automation. But when it comes to the AI automation, here we just have the Claude and Playwright MCP, and whenever UI gets changes, you don't need to even change the any kind of script. Just there is a self-healing functionality already implemented in the RNHRM. Like you see already, when I say login with username and password, even the password got changed to some other text like username got changed to some other text like email address or something, so it will self fill and enter the required thing here. And the key difference are like authoring part. So Selenium we have to do the coding part, and when it comes to the AI, we just use the natural language, and it will automatically record the test cases, and you don't need to ask for screenshots again. It will do it on own. And the locators. So for the finding locators for different cases like iframes, these kind of things we don't need to worry about. And these DOM selectors are frequently we get changed, right? But AI is like a visual selectors. It just find the text with that name which you are searching, and the flagginess. So Selenium basically it just waits the it put the manual effort and wait, and then it retrace. Here in the AI level, intelligent dynamic weights will be there. So it will just pooling for some time, and it will also self-healing. And then maintenance. Coming to the Selenium, we need high maintenance because we need heavy automation testers who having more knowledge on the coding and to handle different things like for UI testers we need that one kind of automation or automator, and then CI/CD integration we need some kind of depth languages. But here all you just need to have the application knowledge and how you can interact with the cloud.